We are now going to find the EV frontier. Finding the EV frontier means that we find efficient portfolios along the EV frontier. We're going to start at the maximum expected return portfolio and then move our way down. Again, we're going to do this in Excel. We're going to do it for this example, stocks, T-bills, T-notes, and lands, the example that we've been using through time. And again, what we're going to do is start at the maximum expected return portfolio and systematically move down the EV frontier by lowering the constant return that we're looking at. And we're going to end the process when the standard deviation no longer declines. All right, we're going to illustrate this now in Excel. All right, we're in Excel. We have our problem loaded in here. And I'm going to solve our efficient portfolio, lay it out right here. All right, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to start at the maximum return portfolio, which is 0.122 land. We can't get higher than that. No way. Just look at the equation. You can't do it. And now I'm going to hit Data Solver. I'm going to solve it, and what's going to happen is 100% of my assets are going to go in land, asset 1. Keep the solution. As I said, 100% in land. This asset has 12.2% return, 11% standard deviation, just the same, 100% in asset 1. I'm going to copy this down here. We're going to put our EV frontier down here in these boxes. Going to do this. I'm going to paste that down here. I'm going to paste it as a value. We want to paste it as a value because we don't want it to change. All right, now I'm going to systematically lower it. And I'm going to go 0.12 next. Hit Data Solver again. Solve it. Take a little bit of time. Keep the solution. All right. This portfolio has a 0.097% return. Excuse me, standard deviation, 0.97% standard deviation. 91% is asset 4 or land. 9% is asset 1 or stock return. We're going to copy it down here again. All right. I'm going to do it again. This time, I'm going to go down to 0.115. Hit Data Solver. All right. My expected return is going to be 0.115. Standard deviation is going to go down. And I'm going to change my composition again. All right, there it is, 0.115. I get a 0.078 standard deviation. I'm going to print this values here. All right, make this a little bigger, more decimal places. All right, so now as we're moving down the portfolio, or lowering the expected return, lowering the standard deviation, we're moving out of land, moved into stocks. Now we started moving into asset 3. All right, I'm gonna keep doing this off video, but I'm gonna keep filling this in, and I'll come back as I got it filled in. All right, I got it filled in now. Took me 17 portfolios. I lowered it after 0.12. I just kept lowering it 0.05. Now I want you to note here. This one I solved with 0.05. I know this was a constant 0.05. All right, I've reached the end of my portfolio right here, EV Frontier. As I lowered my constant, it did not lower the standard deviation. I know that I am to the end. So there is my standard deviation expected returns on my EV Frontier.